Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and I have Black Friday sale mockup file. These files are Photoshop CC and CS plus, sorry. Okay, double click and you can change only color or import your own design first. Okay, for example, here is object, you see object, here is shadow, last is background, gradient overlay. Okay, double click here, double click and pick your favorite color, double click here, and this you can see the background color. Okay, depend your own choice, you can change everything or you can adjust color related your post background. Okay, so click on here, double click, we need a background image. Oh, poster girl background, we need a portrait image like this. Our post is sale related, but you can add your own post. Enter and uh-oh, depend your own choice, you can write anything, for example free graphics, or change color red, and this color is white or yellow. I tell you, just for example, you can apply your own poster or your own design. You see our design is here, very simple and easy. I hope this file is useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.